Hey there, I'm Steve Hawkins from Long Point ETFs. Today is obviously a big day for the Toronto Maple Leafs, but let's not forget about what is happening in the crude oil market and how it can affect trading of our leveraged crude oil ETFs. Built for Canadians with high conviction, short-term trading views, our savvy ETFs provide either daily 2 times long or 2 times inverse exposure. CLUP is the long exposure, CLDN is the short exposure. As a reminder, for your trading, you should be looking for potential price surprises, positioning to either long or short yourself to best capitalize on your view. We've seen some positive momentum in crude oil futures this week, with front month futures trading above 63 USD per barrel after lows of nearly 56 USD per barrel earlier this month. And while oil prices are still down year to date, this past week has delivered an almost 10% gain at these price levels. Oil, like our equity markets, has recovered nicely this week because of big news on the tariff front once again, this time positive. As the U.S. and China agreed to slash most tariffs for 90 days, risk-on assets across the board, including crude oil futures, took this as excellent news with less threat of economic decoupling. On another geopolitical front, tensions between the U.S. and Iran picked back up, with a threat to drive Iran's oil exports to zero if a nuclear agreement can't be reached, creating another significant short-term trading opportunity on crude oil, depending on your positive or negative view of these events. With tariffs and these geopolitical events at the forefront, there's a strong chance of continued price volatility. As we have seen, the 30-day vol for crude oil futures has risen steadily in 2025 and is now approaching almost 50%. A growing consideration for traders is the continued wish from the U.S. administration for lower crude oil prices and lower gas prices. This could benefit short-term traders as price changes are more impactful at these lower levels. U.S. crude oil inventories increased by 4 million barrels from the past week, which could have also caused upward momentum to stall. However, inventory changes aren't having a significant impact due to the overall pressure from the tariff news and the geopolitical news. Thanks for watching, and please click subscribe and check in next week for more trading updates. Please head over to longpointetfs.com for more information on our blog, and also click subscribe.